Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner here, welcoming you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And yes, as you see, you guessed it, I've FOMO'd into PEPE. So first, is it PEPE or is it PEPE? That's one of the things I was trying to see, but if you see here, PEPE is down 9.9%, which is interesting because it was just up. So let's click to a short I saw on PEPE.
Supply of PEPE can only decrease from here on out. There is a burn functionality in this contract, but there is no further minting ability. Meaning, while PEPE circulating supply can decrease over time, more tokens cannot be created and put into circulation.
So as this says, there is no more PEPE coins circulated. And if they're burning coins, there might be a future for PEPE. And then you can see the website, which I couldn't get to come up the last time I used it. There we go. So this is their official PEPE page and the exchanges they're listing on it. And some information. PEPE is tired of watching everyone play hot potato with endless derivatives of Shiba something coins. The Inus have had their time. It's time for the most recognizable meme in the world to take reign as the king of the meme coins. Meme coins. Here we go. PEPE is here to make meme coins great. PEPE is here to make meme coins great again. Launch stealth with no pre-sale, zero taxes, LP burnt, and contracts renounced. PEPE is a coin for the people forever, filled by pure medic power. Let's PEPE show you the way. So, PEPE, you got me FOMOed into the Memo business, meme business. PEPE, you got me FOMOed into the meme coin business. So I don't know if I'm investing in it, but I'm definitely going to watch it because there's a lot of momentum going around this coin. And as someone mentioned on Coinbase, they're counting down, and there's speculation they're counting down for being listed or having the PEPE coin listed. So let's kick to, you know how I usually do. I find a video and we'll kick to the video and then come back. But let's look at the numbers here. It's down 9.3 and it looks like it's been down most of the day. Had a slight run 513 a few days ago. And after that, it's been down. But I think somewhere in here is when the Coinbase situation started about Coinbase listing it as a meme coin that is associated with different alt-right groups. I thought that was hilarious, but we'll see what they have to say. And let me kick to this video real quick. So this is Abbott's, I guess. I don't know. I just saw his video, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I'll see what he has to say, and I'll be right back.
Been talking about quite a bit is the 24-hour volume. Now, this is in terms of dollars, so it doesn't matter how many tokens there are for PEPE versus Shiba Inu versus Doge. What we're looking at is what is the dollar value of PEPE that is being traded every single day. And you guys can see something that's not so great. This is something that I had to call down in a video. We want to see this volume number be higher than the combined total of Shiba Inu and PEP and Dogecoin. When we go ahead and take a look at Shiba Inu, you can see $90 million, and take a look at Dogecoin, just shy of $200 million. PEPE right now, about 240. So it has fallen shy right now of the combined total of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Not the end of the world. Let me make that very clear. This is not the end of the world at all. We just want to see this trend up in the next couple days. It could stay low for a little while, but we want to see this trend up in the next couple days. This is a strong indicator for what is the level of interest in trading PEPE right now, either buying or selling. And as interest falls off, it's more likely for us to see, in my opinion, the price to decline. So we want to see this go up quite a bit. This is an indicator that I think is super bullish. If we can see this number go back over $1 billion. Now, the price of Pepe right now, what's happening with the price of Pepe with this happening? Well, you can see, first of all, we saw the peak of Pepe volume coming in right about here. We're seeing pretty close to $2 billion at the peak of 24-hour volume. Absolutely massive 24-hour volume, which helped reverse the downward trend that we were on for quite a while. If I actually zoom out here, you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. From the top, Pepe top, to this bottom, we ended up having a pretty sharp downward trend, but we were able to reverse that because we got a ton of volume. Elon Musk tweeted out some Pepe, some great news came through. However, since that has happened, volume has been declining. We haven't really had any big news events, and so the price of Pepe has been slowly starting to trend downward again. And I have a worry here that if we don't get any big news for another couple days, we'll continue this trend until we break back down towards those all-time lows, or I shouldn't say the all-time lows, the recent lows that we've been seeing for Pepe. But if we can get something that's going to explode the volume, that's what's really what we're looking at. The volume is not necessarily the indicator or the leading indicators to what's happening. The volume number is what follows a news event. So we get announcement of Coinbase listing potentially, that would spike volume. We get a Elon Musk tweet, that would spike volume. That's something that more we can judge on a simple basis. It doesn't matter what the event is, it's probably going to spike volume. And so we want to see something that's going to spike volume in a good way. A lot of good news for Pepe. That, in my opinion, could see the price shoot up. And once we go beyond this support level right in here, right in about this level 2-1, level 215, you guys can see right above me here. As soon as we can break above that level and stay above it, I think we have a strong potential to see Pepe go all the way back to all-time highs. By the way, if you appreciate videos like this, make sure you guys subscribe down below so you don't miss more great content, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as these videos go live. Now, what could help Pepe? Well, I think there's a couple indicators here that we need to take a look at. First of all, another good sign, as outside of just the volume indicator, this is another good thing I think that we need to look at. Pepe has more followers than Doge, ETH, and BTC on CoinMarketCap. So if you're unaware, you can go ahead and follow a cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. You guys can see all of these different ones right here behind me. Bitcoin right now at about 21,000 followers, Ethereum 13, Dogecoin 8, Pepe 22. So Pepe has more interest right now, at least actively, than all of these different cryptocurrencies, which is reinforced by the statistics that we've been seeing where Pepe has more social engagement and some of those other factors. Now, one big event that could be coming on the horizon here is a Coinbase listing for Pepe. Obviously, there has been a lot of tension and conflict between the Pepe community and Coinbase, but Coinbase tweeted out this thing. They tweeted out a 3. No indicator as to what this means. They just tweeted out the number 3. People are wondering, could this be a countdown for the Pepe listing? If not, what is this? Obviously, a lot of people, thousands of people, have been taking to Twitter doing hashtag delete Coinbase. I believe it got over 100,000 tweets of hashtag delete Coinbase. Thousands of other people commenting, saying that Pepe should be listed on Coinbase. So a ton of community support wanting Coinbase to list Pepe. That is the biggest thing I have seen in regards to Pepe on Twitter Space right now. And so I think it could be possible that here, maybe in about the next 3 days or in about 3 days, we can expect to see Coinbase list Pepe. Now, it's not guaranteed by any means. Don't get it wrong here. It's not guaranteed this is going to happen, but I think there's a high probability that Coinbase is going to have to concede and go with the whims of the community. Because when they didn't do that, when we had the hashtag delete Coinbase trending, the stock of Coinbase actually went down while other exchanges like Robinhood or other trading platforms like Robinhood actually went up, which was something that was kind of surprising to the general public, where people were wondering what's going on here. That's where some people learned about this Pepe movement with the delete Coinbase thing. I think because of that, Coinbase is going to be forced to actually do what we want. Otherwise, they're going to lose thousands of customers. And I think this has so much potential for Pepe, not just because Coinbase on its own is going to add so much new volume, which it definitely is. It's got a ton of UX exposure because a lot of people in the US just cannot get access to Pepe right now. Adding it on Coinbase would really make it more accessible to a ton of people. But the bigger thing, the more important thing that I think this would show is just the overall power of the Pepe community, what we can actually accomplish. Because I think once people get that new frame of reference, people realize, whoa, we were able to turn Coinbase from budding Pepe, saying that Pepe is some alt-right hate symbol, like just absolutely insane things. We're able to get Coinbase to go from that. If we can get Coinbase to go from that to listing Pepe and supporting Pepe, anything is possible. I think that is going to be such a mental shift, such an important mental shift for the Pepe community, because there are definitely people who want to see Pepe overtake Dogecoin, going over, as you guys can see it on my side, a $10 billion market cap. But there is a good chunk of the Pepe community, a large chunk of the Pepe community who does not believe that's possible. If we can actually make this happen and get Pepe listed on Coinbase, I think a lot of people would be convinced, you know what, this Pepe community is so strong, they can do anything, and people would stop doubting our ability to hopefully overtake Shiba Inu at 5 billion or Dogecoin at 10 billion, basically netting Pepe 15, 20x returns. And so this would be so important for Pepe, not just because Coinbase would bring all this new exposure, which it definitely would, but also because it would be a show, it would be a sign as to how strong the Pepe community is. Because obviously we are getting listed on a ton of different exchanges at this point. Now Pepe got listed on Kraken, as you guys can see behind me. Pepe's just getting listed pretty much everywhere except for Coinbase right now. So it's not like we need Coinbase in its own. It's the sign that that sends. Now, if you guys are wondering, where can you trade Pepe on an exchange that actually rewards the people who trade Pepe, rewards the Pepe community? Well, you guys can look no further than MEXE. You guys can deposit and trade on MEXE. You can earn up to $100 worth of Pepe for free and $9,000 worth of USDT. All you have to do is sign up for an account. That button would be right here. You guys can see all the different terms of how much you have to trade, how much you have to deposit to earn these different rewards. So check this page out, you guys. They have basically no fees. So if you don't want to be paying $50+ in gas fees, this is a great opportunity. Of course, you go to any exchange to get out of paying high gas fees, but MEXE is the only one, to my knowledge, the only one that's willing to work with me to actually provide incentives to the Pepe community because they want to reward the Pepe community for coming in and choosing MEXE.
Okay, guys. So, what do you think the countdown is for? It's mentioning on Coinbase the countdown that's at 2 right now. Do you think that has to do with Pepe joining Coinbase or Coinbase listing it? Or if there's something else that you think is going to happen? Or if this is just a ploy to get Coinbase to get to follow the uh, exchange for their mistake they did with releasing that information about Pepe. Also, you can pick up Pepe with crypto.com. That's what I use it, and it's pretty safe. I've been using it for a few years now, and I didn't have any problem with Coinbase. I'll put that link in the comments. You could use that as well. You could use my link, or you could go just to crypto.com and get it. Either way, right? If you use my link, I think I get a small percentage. If you're going to sign up, you could use it, mine as well. But if you're not going to use it, no big deal, right? You can still sign up directly with crypto.com. Also, if Pepe is dependent on news and no actual application or no actual fundamentals, it is actually a meme coin. So I wasn't sure there how long that can last or if this is a good option. Um, they're saying that it's probably one of the top new meme coins. I'm not sure if that has to do with their problems with Coinbase or what, but it should be interesting to play out. Yes, I did FOMO in. See everybody talking about it, so I wanted to get involved in the action. You guys know I like making these videos and talking about the cryptocurrency industry as a whole, and this is pretty much one of the hot topics, along with I think it was SpongeBob and Caspa and the KS3. So it'll be interesting to see. Let me know what you think about the Coinbase countdown and the project of Pepe in general, and just how things are going across the cryptocurrency. If there's any new coins you want to talk about, or if there's any other information you want to know about Pepe. If you think this is a good project, if you FOMOed in like me, or if you just want to watch it, let me know in the comments as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment, right? Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know how your Wednesday's going, or how things are going just across crypto, or if you've heard any new information, or if you have anything you want to talk about. This is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys get everything you researched, and let me know in the comments. Let's get back to the money.